In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Then tap on All Services. Scroll again to hit Autofill with Google. And finally, scroll one more time to choose Google Password Manager. Now tap on any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and tap on this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!